Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, I will be setting up my Erin Condren life planner again. In this video, I'll be focusing on the notes pages at the back. So I have everything set up in pencil and all my post-it notes just so I can remember what I'm doing on each page. So for these two pages, well, I think there's three of them actually. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. I will be doing my hair appointment schedules. So when I do that, I'm able to calculate how much I make each month. And then on the next page is another one. And then on the fourth page will be my monthly earnings. I'll be comparing my 2019 earnings to my 2020 earnings for each month. So I'll collect each month, add them up right here, and then compare and say what I've made more or less and see if I'm doing better or worse. Very sorry for this abrupt stopping sound, but basically you could hear everybody at home's voice in the background and I didn't like it, so I decided to take the sound away. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this to music. It was pretty much, you can see exactly what I was doing. If you have any questions though, be sure to comment down below, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, so I'm all done now, so I'm just going to show you guys a quick flip through of all the pages that I did today. And anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below if you like this video, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.